Hello, amazing souls. I want you to look at this beautiful tree. Look at this tree. Isn't it something? It's just amazing. It has this feeling of wisdom. Just amazing wisdom. This tree. It's got limbs that have been cut and falling, but it's just, there's something about this tree. Something amazing just about this tree. Just amazing. Look at this tree. As you look at the tree, I want you to think about just insane wisdom. The wisdom of nature. The wisdom of Mother Earth. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful tree. And some people may not think it's beautiful, but it really, really is. And it holds magic. It holds magic, this tree. Absolute magic. And just look at the countryside here. It's beautiful countryside. We're going to walk over here to these beautiful tall ornamental grasses. I love these things. And I want you to take them in. The shelter these grasses give to animals. The beautiful sunshine we have right now. And if you don't have sunshine in your part of the world, take in the sunshine here. The sunshine. And then just listen. Listen to nature. Listen to how it speaks. And what can you see? What do you hear? And I want you to just take a deep breath and relax. A nice deep breath and relax. And just be aware that amazing, beautiful beings of love and light are surrounding you. Do you feel them? Just listen as they speak to you with love and light. And then notice their touch. Let Mother Nature speak to you. And in this moment, there are angels. Angels here on this land, speaking, and in a moment, be able to see how beautiful they are in everything that we look at. Everything we feel. Everything we hear. Just take it in. Love and light, everyone. Have a great day.